Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I've been wearing on my face basically every single day the past week or so. So I'm really excited. This is the makeup that I'm talking about right now. It's super easy and quick and just fresh and dewy looking without looking cakey at all, without just, I don't know, any of those like super harsh makeup things. This is all about looking really natural, about your skin looking really nice, and I'm so excited because I found some products that I am obsessed about and I really love. So let's get started. First, I make sure in the morning and whatever that I always wash my face and I always go through my skincare. I will be sharing with you guys what I've been using on my face in about a month from now. I'm trying to give this enough time to where my skin really is reacting great to these products, and I'm really making sure that everything's going good before I share them with you. So anyway, I make sure to put on my moisturizer. You can put on some oil. I like to put on a little oil in the morning, different things like that to make sure your skin is nice and prepped and hydrated. Then I go in, usually, this step kind of switches up, but I go in with the Ordinary High Spreadability Fluid Primer. This is so nice because it honestly just gives a nice canvas for your makeup to really glide on. It's really hydrating, but it doesn't make me oily, and it's just a super nice primer. I really like it, and it's super inexpensive. So that's what I start with, just to make sure I have a nice hydrated base for everything to glide on. So then, this is the product that made me want to do this video and that I've just been raving about. If you follow me on Instagram and you watch my Instagram stories, you will know what I'm going to talk about, probably. It's a foundation, hint, hint. And it is seriously the best thing ever. If you are someone that struggles with acne, this video really isn't for you. I mean, if you have minor acne, this is going to be fine. But if you have bad acne like mine was, you're probably not going to like these products. But I really love this foundation. This is the e.l.f. Foundation Serum with Goji Berry. This has SPF 25, which I love because I've been just doing my regular like moisturizer and stuff that doesn't have SPF in it, and I've been using this and that has SPF 25, so at least I know I am covered. The whole serum word in this foundation is so correct. Like, seriously. It seriously glides on your skin. It feels like you're putting on like a serum slash moisturizer that has some tint to it. I put about 3 pumps onto my fingers. I know, crazy, right? I never use my fingers, but for this product, it works the best. It doesn't soak up all the product and everything, and it looks phenomenal. So I just rub this in really nice and gently. You don't want to get wrinkles. And I rub this in to my skin all over the place. It's really liquidy at first, but then it kind of like thickens up, I guess, as it dries, so you won't have streaks and stuff. But I will go over it with a sponge if I see any streaks or anything like that, or there's excess product anywhere, whatever. So this has seriously changed my day-to-day makeup. I would either not wear makeup day-to-day, which I still don't wear makeup every day because it is important to let your skin breathe, but this doesn't like clog anything up. I really don't think it like breaks me out or anything like that. It's really great, and it looks so natural. And this product is so nice for me too because I don't self-tan my face. I haven't been recently, and so if I run out and go run errands, I usually want to put something on my face just to kind of like even out from my neck. And the only downside is this only, I believe, has 3 shades, which sucks. I get light medium, and it works really great. Okay, so then for concealers, I go in with 2 different concealers. Seems a little high maintenance, I know, but whatever. So this is a Col-lab Beauty Almond Honey. This is their liquid concealer, whatever, in Almond Honey. And this is the perfect shade to go along with this light medium one. So it doesn't cover up all the stuff on my cheeks because I do have some scarring left over and stuff. So I will put a little bit of this on my cheeks anywhere that there's a little darkness. Then I put the Sephora Bright Future Concealer in Custard underneath my eyes, and I am concealed and ready to go. And I just use a regular Ulta sponge for that. So then after I go in with concealer, I go in with a blush. And I like using a more liquid blush. This is the Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Dusk. And this is so pretty because it's kind of like more of a, I don't know how to describe it. It's not like a bright pink. It's more of like a natural blush color and looks really, really pretty with very minimal makeup. And so I take this a little bit on the back of my hand, grab a sponge, and just dot it on my cheeks for a little bit of color. And it's seriously, it takes 2 seconds. Amazing. And then I'll take a little bit of this Palladio I'm Glowing Creamy Stick Luminizer in the shade Stunner. And this is stunning. Take this on a little bit of a sponge. No, on a sponge, and I'll put this on the highest points of my face. Like super easy. Just dab it on there and give yourself a little bit of glow on the high points of your face where you usually would put highlighter. This again sinks into the skin so nicely and looks amazing. Then I go in with the Palladio Rice Paper Powder. No. Palladio Pressed Rice Powder, and I have used so much of this, I'm basically hitting pan. I love this because I just set the under eyes with this. I don't use a lot by any means. I seriously do a little bit on my brush, tap it off, and then pat it all over my face. Don't use a lot of this because it could look, you know, really matte and flat, and we want to look nice and glowy. I just want to set everything so that things don't slide around and I don't get like foundation on things when I touch my face, and I hate that. I seriously hate when my foundation is still kind of like tacky, you know, and it gets on my fingers. Hate it. So I always make sure to set it just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit so it's not super, super, super dewy. And then to finish it off, I always make sure my skin is protected with SPF. Obviously, this e.l.f. Foundation has SPF in it, SPF 25, but I like to amp it up a little bit because your face, you only get one skin basically, and you always want your face to be protected from the sun because it can cause wrinkles, it can cause so many things on your face. So I always make sure my face is protected with sunscreen, and this has been so nice. This is the Ulta Beauty Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Sunscreen. This is the Rose Water Setting Spray, and it has a matte finish. So this is SPF 50, and you seriously just spray it on your face. All you do is spray it on your face and you are good to go. It has SPF in it. You're protected from the sun. It does not leave that sticky, weird sunscreen feeling that I absolutely hate. Doesn't mess with your makeup. It feels really nice on the skin. Like I said, it's a matte setting spray, but that just means it's not going to make you super dewy. It doesn't mean that it's going to like mattify your whole look. And I really, really love it. I haven't had a chance to like completely test it out, but I believe that it is sunscreen because it smells like sunscreen, not like a really strong smell, but it definitely is sunscreen. So I make sure to spray my face with this. I've only had this for like a week and I've been loving it and using it every single day. I hope you guys like this video. If you like more natural everyday makeup, this is definitely for you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please leave them down in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye. This is the Ulta Beauty Broad Spectrum SPF. Why can't I speak today?